Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do the ab series on the Cadillac with the rollback bar. So I really love to do this series. It's quite fun. There's a couple different variations you can do. The one that I find is really the most full body is the one I'm going to show you the most thoroughly, and then I can show you another option too. But you hook your rollback bar onto your leg spring setting, and you face it, and depending on how hard you want it to be is how close you are to the edge of your Cadillac, right? And so you can always rest with it behind your legs. You'll take the bar in your hands, you'll press it down, and you'll curl into your hundreds curl. And you do one knee in and one leg out for your single leg stretch. And again, if that's too hard, like it's pulling you too high, or you're struggling staying connected to your back and you feel like you're muscling it, just scoot in. Because you just want to have that connection of your arms into your back so that you can learn what that feeling is when you go to do the single leg stretch on the mat, right? Most of us pull from our bicep. Okay, so then you can take a rest. You can put the bar there and completely rest if you want. And then you grab the bar back in, lift the chest up. As the legs go up from my double leg stretch, I push the bar down and I pull in. Push the bar down and pull in. You do about 5 of these. And again, it's just to help you feel where your arms connect to your back. I think it's really easy when we do our ab series to disconnect our arms from our back, right? Okay, so then single straight leg stretch, same thing. Right? You pull the leg towards you as you reach the other leg away, and you're just keeping the bar connected to your back. So try not to muscle it. I don't really care if the bar hits the mat or not. And then you can rest. You really want to feel this in your upper abs and not in your neck, right? Let the bar help pull you up. And then both legs lower and lift and lower and lift. And sometimes I kind of do a little breathing exercise where I push the bar down as the legs go down, and then I let the bar lift as my legs come up. Good. Now, for a crisscross, it's a little tricky to do it there. So I put it up top where it goes for your rollback. And I place the legs over. And then this gets a little bit just more of like a nice fun workout rather than necessarily, something that's a tutorial, but how you pull this bar into you is how you should pull your knees into you from your center. So you have your hands behind your head, you pull your knees in and you twist and you come to the center and twist and pull it in and twist and pull it in and twist. And you're just working side to side, right? So that when you go to do your full ab series or your crisscross, I can feel like I'm pulling the bar in, switch, pulling the bar in, switch, right? That's the whole goal, is that you don't do it here just to do it here. It's to teach you. So when you go to do the mat, like if you're taking my online mat classes, you can feel a more full body workout in that ab series. So it's called the ab series or the series of 5. It's not just about the abs, it's the whole body, right? So this really helps teach you that. Have fun with it, give it a play. If you have any questions about how to do it or where to set up, you can put it in the comments below. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.